Royal Enfield since 1901 and almost permanently retired in 2023. I got the Hunter back today from the insurance. Geico gave me the settlement on it. And I didn't make out as well as I'd hoped, but it wasn't a total loss on my part. They deemed it a total loss because the repair was over $6,000, and that's way more than the bike is worth. So I did the buyback option after the settlement. It cost me a little bit of money. I think I can get at least that buyback amount out of it. I can still salvage some of my accessories. Quad lock mount and all that are probably still okay. It looks like that got tweaked or stripped. I'll have to figure that out. But wireless charging head and all that stuff's probably still functional. Gauge is totally destroyed. Headlight is mangulated up here. Left side signals are gone. This got ground down when it bounced off the pavement and slid to a stop. So all of this on the left side's beat up. Tank is beat up. Shift linkage, lower control trellis here for the left side controls are just gone. Not even salvageable. They've got to be totally replaced. And this part of the frame here is bent. What I was looking at in my pictures, it looks like I've got a stress fracture right here. I'm going to have to get in there, clean that up really good, and look at it. It looks like it's separated, and I can snag a fingernail there, so I think this rear frame rail coming back off of the spine snapped when it hit the ground, or from the impact, I'm not sure which. So the Jeep rammed me at plus 25 from this direction right here, and in my slow-mo video that I'll show eventually, he hit me here right on the rear corner. You can see all this. This is Jeep transfer here. That was paint from his vehicle. This handle went flying forward of me and ended up in front of me before I dismounted the bike at high speed. You can see that spiraling past me before I hit the ground. Yeah, good stuff. So everything back here is tweaked. Rear fender and everything is off axis. The rear subframe appears to be twisted down left a bit, but I'll know later when I tear into it, see if things are aligned. I'll have to put some levels on it and get some lasers and see if the chassis is salvageable, if the frame is salvageable. If not, I'll part it out and do something different with it. You know, sell off the engine and the wiring harness and the ECU and all that. Probably keep the wheels for future projects. It's a damn shame that my front tire has a whopping 26 or 30 miles on it before it smoked. It probably got flat spotted. I haven't really cleaned it up yet to look at it. The rims look like they're okay. I don't think they got banged up too badly. But when I clean this off, I'm probably going to have a big flat spot somewhere, because when it went down, the handlebars were cranked hard left and the wheel was touching the ground almost perpendicularly and sliding like this. And in the video, you could see smoke coming off of the front tire. So it's probably got a big flat spot somewhere. I'll find out. Anyway, tank is toast. It's dented in 3 or 4 places, scraped up, so tank's gonna have to be replaced. Handlebars, all the stuff, gauge, everything else, and it's pretty mangulated. Oh, and I can see my forks are bent. My son is standing over here telling me, look at it from the front on. Yeah, the forks are bent. I can't tell if that's full head bend or what. You can tell the fender is not straight. That is bent. But it appears that the whole front wheel is cocked this way, which doesn't surprise me a bit. So, very likely both fork tubes are bent. So, I don't know. It's going to be a full reclamation project. Good luck. If the frame is not dead, damaged beyond repair, or fractured back there, what I might do is strip this thing down and turn it into a tracker or scrambler. So we'll see. Not sure what things hold for me. I'm not going to be riding for a while. My back is still tweaked, so wish me luck.